everyone. In this video, we're going to go over the Introduction to Excel Basics assignment. So notice I'm here in the VE Hub. We're in Unit 4 now. We're talking about using Excel, Google Sheets, and Google Forms. In this point, we're going to go to the student activity page at 4.1. Click on that. So we've got the activity page here. We're going to go over this try it out section. So in this project, we're going to use open Excel workbook that contains survey data, navigate worksheets, and format the data using Excel formatting tools. If you need help using an Excel feature, enter your question in the tell me what you want to do box. Okay. So let's begin. Instructions, launch Excel. And I'm going to go ahead and stop my webcam right now. But let's launch Excel. Start here. And again, this is a screen icon here. Go ahead and enter. I'll click on blank workbook. I'm going to split my screen right now. Okay. So we've got the instructions here on the left, and we've got this Excel workbook on the right. So we're going to start at A1. A1, column A, row 1. Step 2 says, use the right arrow key, move your cursor to cell D1. Actually, let me turn on my keyboard so you can see that. Okay. So I'm at D1. Type your first and last name and hit enter. Okay. Note that your name is probably too large for the cell. We'll fix that later. And again, that's what this means here. It's extended to the cell here. We'll fix that later. So step 3 says click in cell A1. The active cell appears in the name box. This is a name box up here. Okay. You can hover over it, and that tells you as well, name box. Step 4, move your cursor back to D1. Note that D1, the active cell, appears in the name box, and your name appears in the formula box. So this is the reference, and this is the content inside that cell. Okay. So step 5. Okay. Click the plus sign next to Sheet 1 tab. That's down here. Note that a new worksheet, Sheet 2, appears. You just added a new page to your workbook. Okay. Click the Sheet 1 tab, and then click on D5 to make it the active cell. D5, okay? I'm going to ask you to type in here step 7, just so we know. And then step 8, press the left arrow key on your keyboard until cell B5 is selected. So right there, B5. Okay. Press the arrow keys to select H20. Again, before that, let me just say this is step 8. Okay. I'm going to go to H20. So H. Then I'm just going to go all the way down to 20. Okay. I'm going to ask you to put in step 9 here. From here, step 10 says to press Control Home to return to cell A1. Control Home. Okay, and that brings this cursor all the way back to the top left here to the A1. Okay. I'm gonna ask you to put in step 10 here. Okay. Step 11 says click the scroll bars on the right and bottom of the worksheet to see another part of the worksheet. So these scroll bars right here, you can just keep scrolling down, and you can keep going. Right. Just put these arrows and it keeps going, or you can scroll down with your mouse. Either way. Press F12. Excuse me. Press F5 on your keyboard, and this window pops up to go to. Okay, we're going to enter J221. Okay, click OK. It jumped all the way down to cell J221. Okay, from here, I'm just going to ask you to type in step 12. Okay. Step 13, click the name box on the left side of the formula box up here. Okay, and then we're going to enter E15. Enter. We're up here now. Okay, I'm going to ask you to put in step 14. Here. And then step 15 says to press Control Home to return to cell A1. Control Home. Okay. Step 16, place your mouse on the vertical line between cell D1 and E1 until it turns into a double-sided arrow. So look, my mouse as I go across here between D1 and E1, and look, this arrow, double-sided, left and right, changed once I approach this line, okay? What you want to do is you click down and drag this then so that you can widen this cell, okay? That's one way to do it. I'm going to undo this. And the other way to do this, if you go ahead and highlight this and you double click, then that will automatically resize to like the minimum width that will fit whatever text is in this cell, okay? And that's it. I'll ask you actually to save this. Save as. We're going to name this 4.1. Try it out. Try it out. 1, excuse me. Save. Upload this to Google Classroom when you're done. Thanks.